All right, for these ones, it says rewrite in factored form. So let's try that. All right, so to factor, I always got to start and look for a greatest common factor. And between 3 and 36, the greatest common factor is 3. And then x, let's see, the most is x squared. So that means I'm going to divide everything by 3x squared. Okay, so what gets left over here? Those cancel. And only 1 is left here, so I get x. The x squareds cancel. 36 divided by 3 is plus 12. Okay, and that is factored. This is not a quadratic inside, so I can't go any further. Let's take a look at 13. Again, we're going to start looking for a GCF first. All right, and let's see. Smallest term up there is 5 and x. So there's your GCF. It's 5x. Goes outside. Divide everything by 5x. All right, 5 divided by 5 is 1. X cubed divided by x is x squared. So we get plus 2x and then plus 1. Now we have to see if this inside part can factor. All right, and it does. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so we look at the factors of 1. They add up to be 2. So that's plus 1 plus 1. So we have x and then x. So we're going to do this. X plus 1 is my first factor. So x plus 1. Then we pull out this x with this other factor. So we get x plus 1 again. And then we bring down the GCF of 5x. So my final answer is 5x times x plus 1 squared. Okay, if you didn't remember to do that, I would also have accepted that answer. All right, let's take a look at 14. All right, we have to factor it. So is there GCF? They all don't have x's, and there's nothing in common. That's a lead coefficient of 1, so no GCF. So we look at the factors of 49, which are 1 and 49, 7 and 7. They have to add to be a positive 14. Okay, so that's plus 7 plus 7. We have x and x for those two factors, so let's pair them up. We're going to pair up this with that, so that's x plus 7. Then we're going to pair up this with the other factor, so that is also x plus 7. All right, and that's our answer for 14. Let's try 15. All right, so this is the difference of squares. 169 is 13 and 13, but it's got to be different, so plus and minus. So we'll go x plus 13, x minus 13. All right, and let's take a look at 16. So we have 5 times 2 because there is no GCF, so we got to start bottoms up. What up?